Proven Snapchat marketing techniques. Look for users. If you're just getting started on Snapchat as a brand, it's important to not only produce content for your public story, which can be seen by any user who adds you, the equivalent of following someone on Twitter or Instagram, but also to find users to connect with. Currently, you can't search for users easily in the app. You have to know their exact username, which makes finding general users or even celebrities difficult. Still, you can go to the following sites and take advantage of them to make the process easier. ghostdir.azurewebsites.net, www.addmesnaps.com, directory-snapchat.com, www.snapchat.directory, and www.ghostcodes.com. When you're thinking just about getting the Snapchat username from some brand, as always, Google is a great search tool. You can Google, for example, Mashable Snapchat username, and you can quickly find the right answer. Well, of course, you can do the exact same thing with snap codes. You can Google, for example, Mashable Snap Code, and there you will find the snap link in the search results. Snapchat art. Snapchat art is a way to use your imagination. This is something unofficial, but you can be really creative and funny for your followers. But remember that Snapchat doesn't need all the formality like other social networks. With Snapchat art, you can share jokes with your followers. You can use Snapchat art to challenge your followers to see who is more creative and provide a coupon in exchange or a product for the winner. You can find a lot of cool ideas at dbatsnap.com. Always target your audience. You can find popular Snapchatters within your niche that would be genuinely excited to help you promote your products. They know their audience is best and could help you come up with content that would be well suited for them. If you're just starting out on Snapchat, take some time to do your homework, browse through other accounts, and follow other people to get a better idea of how they use the app. Always inspire loyalty through targeted authenticity. Focus on local marketing. Create filters and content around your local stores, and then promote them to customers in places that are close to said stores. Deliver card-featured photos. Giving away photos of your brand's products as humorous puns can make your audience not only enjoy your products getting renown, but they will also enjoy the quirky marketing. Share your snaps on other social media. You're not going to be successful with a Snapchat campaign if you're solely marketing it within Snapchat itself. Venture out to other platforms like Twitter and Facebook to get your audience to check out your content within Snapchat. Tap into influencers. Use popular Snapchatters who are relevant to your niche to not only promote your brand, but also to connect with younger audience members who mistrust traditional ads. Give your influencers full control. Don't censor your influencers. Let them create content they know will resonate with your audience, and don't try to take control of the influencer's content too much. It will be much more authentic if you allow them to sit in the driver's seat. Post your Snapchats on Vine. This is going to significantly increase your views because it's another frequently used social platform. Many social media influencers are using this method, so what are you waiting for? Start going viral. Give Snapchatters a sneak peek. Giving your audience the inside scoop on the platform before it can be found elsewhere is a great way to create excitement about a new product release or event you're holding. Take advantage of holidays. Give back to your audience, especially during the holidays, if you want to increase customer loyalty. They'll be more likely to keep following your brand if they know that there might be something in it for them, other than great content. Furthermore, you'll generate a ton of user-generated content if the prize is tempting.